1. 1975 Chevrolet K10 4x4 short bed, $2,500, Ventura, California. This 1975 Chevrolet K10 is a true project truck with solid potential. The original short bed 4x4 model is a pre-smog year, making it a desirable option for restoration. The truck features an 8-cylinder V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and moves under its own power, though there is rust on various parts, including the bed, cab corners, tailgate, hood, and fenders. The floors, roof, and doors are solid, providing a good base for a rebuild. The truck comes without a title, but a bill of sale and title transfer are included. 2. 1970 Chevy C20 pickup, $5,900, Sequim, Washington. This 1970 Chevy C20 is an excellent classic truck with a rebuilt 350 engine and a newly installed fuel injection system. The 8-cylinder engine offers over 350 horsepower, making it a powerful ride. The truck has minimal rust, mostly in the usual spots, and the bed is solid with no holes. The interior is original, and the transmission shifts smoothly. This truck has strong potential for both daily driving and as a restoration project. It's a great find at this price. Three. 1978 Ford F-150, $9,800, Lewiston, Idaho. The 1978 Ford F-150 is an iconic full-size pickup truck with a salvage title. It features a V8 engine and 4x8, perfect for both work and off-road adventures. The motor has been rebuilt recently, with only about 3,000 miles since the rebuild. It has numerous new parts, including rear brakes, rear wheel bearings, and a fuel tank. The Edelbrock intake and Holley carburetor provide a smooth and powerful driving experience. While the truck does have a salvage title, it's in good shape with plenty of potential for those who enjoy a project. 4. 1984 Dodge Prospector, $4,000, Gladstone, Oregon. This 1984 Dodge Prospector is a solid choice for those in search of a classic, yet affordable truck. It's equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. The truck's exterior has a clean look, and the vehicle is available for a test drive, allowing potential buyers to evaluate its condition firsthand. With an affordable price tag and solid components, this could be a great vehicle for those looking for a dependable classic truck. 5. 1978 Ford Custom 250, $8,000, Santa Fe, New Mexico. The 1978 Ford Custom 250 is an excellent example of a classic truck with an original 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. This truck has been well maintained, offering great reliability for both daily driving and towing. It has a clean title and has been used as a daily driver, making it a dependable workhorse. The engine runs smoothly, and the truck has seen many road trips between New Mexico and California, proving its durability. 6. 1973 Ford F250, $9,500, Sacramento, California. This 1973 Ford F250 is in great shape with 115,100 miles and a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck is perfect for an enthusiast looking for a vintage ride with great potential. The body is solid and the truck runs strong. It does not have air conditioning or a radio, keeping it simple and original. With a clean title and a strong engine, this is an ideal project truck for someone looking to either restore or use as is. 7. 1964 Dodge A100 pickup, $9,000, Sunland, California. The 1964 Dodge A100 pickup is a rare and unique find. This truck has been upgraded with a 3 and 18 small block engine and now features power steering and a Holley Sniper EFI kit. The vehicle is in excellent condition with solid panels and a clean title. The truck is registered as a 1965 but is originally a 1964 model. With only 20,000 miles on the odometer, rolled over, this classic is a great project for someone looking to bring it back to its full potential. Eight 1965 GMC 4x4 3/4 ton, $7,800, Ranchos de Taos, New Mexico. The 1965 GMC 4x4 3/4 ton truck is an excellent classic with a 350 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck is ideal for work with solid construction and a strong running engine. It's a great base for further restoration or can be used as a reliable work truck. The body is in good shape for its age, and it's ready to be enjoyed by a new owner who appreciates its vintage appeal. (1968) Chevy 3/4 ton two-wheel drive, $8,750, Oz, Placer County, California. This 1968 Chevy 3/4 ton truck is in good condition, with a straight body and minimal rust. The 350 engine has been professionally rebuilt and the transmission shifts smoothly. The truck features original interior elements, including a nearly new dash pad and an original rubber floor mat. While the alternator wiring needs to be completed, this classic Chevy has a lot of potential. It does not have a title, but it can be sold with a bill of sale. A 1980 GMC Sierra 1500 Classic, $7,000, Great Falls, Montana. This 1980 GMC Sierra 1500 is a well-maintained truck with a custom paint job and a 4WABA Dodge setup. The truck has received numerous upgrades, including new tires, a custom audio system, and various mechanical improvements. The engine and transmission are in great condition, and the truck runs smoothly with plenty of life left. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, classic truck with modern touches. (11) 1988 Toyota Pickup 4x4, $7,000, Twin Lakes, Washington. This 1988 Toyota Pickup is a solid choice for someone looking for a reliable 4x4 with a manual transmission. The truck is in good running condition, although it may need some brake work. The 6-cylinder engine is robust, making it an excellent option for both daily driving and off-road adventures. With 200,000 miles on the odometer, it's well-loved, but still has a lot of potential for someone who appreciates Japanese classics. 12 1985 Ford F250 XL Explorer 4x4, $2,500, Stanwood, Washington. The 1985 Ford F250 XL Explorer is a project truck that needs some work to become fully operational. While the body is in decent condition, the truck has wiring issues and needs attention to the fuel pump and electrical system. The truck has a rebuilt title and comes with a 302 EFI engine and automatic transmission. This truck offers potential for someone who enjoys working on projects, especially if they have a background in wiring and diagnostics. 13. 1986 Ford F250, $4,000, Quincy, California. The 1986 Ford F250 is a diesel-powered 4x truck with a 7.3-liter engine. The truck is in good condition, with only 90,000 miles and new tires. It runs perfectly, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a reliable work truck or a classic for off-road adventures. The body is solid, and with its fifth-wheel capability, it's perfect for hauling or towing. It's 14. 1987 Nissan Hardbody, $1,500, Riverside, California. This 1987 Nissan Hardbody is a project truck with a blown head gasket. The motor is already removed, and the truck comes with new parts, including fenders and taillights. It's a great option for someone looking to restore a classic mini truck. With a manual transmission and a solid frame, it has plenty of potential for restoration.